Pastor, sawadee ka. Ada na Pastor Roma, mura gamay lang ang message kay Bro 10 seconds lagi atag ni JR. One, ang among team karon persuaded, so that's what he promised, he's also able to perform. So mura na ang message Pastor, 10 seconds, mura to na speaker.
Sawadee ka, Pastor.
Okay. Sunod.
We miss you here.
10 seconds na.
You're always in our prayers, Pastor. Yes. God bless.
Wala ko yung message.
Hi, Pastor. God bless. Hi, Pastor Jandy. God bless. We miss you. Mana bidia? Mana lami? Sunod lami.
Close up sa nako sa likod. Sige. Pinasuguhan.
Pastor, busy kayo ko. Sa internet.
God bless.
Okay, 5, 4,
Pastor Roma, Pastor!
Okay.